Hello everyone. As we are entering the 21st century, computer and technology are ruling the whole world. Computer is the incredible innovation where learning of computers and technology are the needs of the hour. With this in mind, Subhashri Publishers have come out with a new series of computer books by name Wizard based on the new education policy 2020. In this Wizard series, it is based on Windows 10 and Office 2019. We have also incorporated latest and useful topics such as artificial intelligence, cloud computing, flash programming, Kodu, Sctratch Programming, Robotics, CSS, HTML5, Python, and many more latest advancement in technologies. The key features in this series are simple language and extensive illustration. The children can easily grasp the concept in a more clear and easier way. The Wizard series comes with a step-by-step approach for students to learn computers on a day-to-day basis. The Wizard series also has got a lot of exercise for practical skills to be developed in children. We also give question papers, and we also develop the higher order thinking skills of the students. And below is the description of the various topics covered in the Wizard series. This series of books is for Standard 1 to Standard 9, and it is based on New Education Policy 2020. Thank you.